Mga kapuso at kapamilya, nandito na sila, palakpakan natin, Michael and Emilio! Welcome to the outside world! Welcome back to the outside world, Michael and Emilio. You boys made us so proud sa inyong stay sa bahay ni Kuya. Ano yung sa tingin niyo pinaka-importanteng aral na babaon ninyo dito sa outside world?
Thank you again for that question. I think ang pinaka-importanteng aral na nakuha ko dito sa bahay ni Kuya ay maging mabuting tao. Yun talaga, Ate Bianca. Just be good and it'll all come back to you one day. I'm really sorry.
Don't say sorry.
I love you guys. I love you all so much. The biggest lesson I learned from this house is to just spread love, stay positive. You never know what will happen. And cherish the people around you and be thankful for them. Maraming salamat, Kuya, and to everybody who's here. I love you all so much.
I hope this shows you boys how loved you are.